Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your REDMI BUDS 6 Pro. Firstly, I recommended to perform a soft reset, and you need to put both of your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone, and then you just open the charging case and check it. Of course, you remove your earbuds and check is it fix your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, you need to also put both of your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. Open the lid. At the bottom, we have near to USB-C port, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this button for at least 10 seconds until the LED light on the front side flashed white 3 times. First, let's start blinking white. It's okay because it only entered to panic mode. You just keep holding your earbuds. 1, 2, 3. Now you can release your fingers, and we need to remove these earbuds from your phone and then add it to your phone. To do this, open Settings and go to the Bluetooth. Also, if you have Android, you go to the connected devices, not to the Bluetooth. But on some Android phones, you have Bluetooth not connected devices. So, yeah. Okay, at the device list, you need to click at the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, and if you have iOS, you can or turn off, turn on the Bluetooth, or just go back and return. After a factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we don't need to enter pairing mode manually. We just stop at these earbuds at the device list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!